Hey everybody, I am just having a little bit of cold brew before I start getting ready to go to my first no-gi class as a resident of Colorado, so cheers to that. It brings up a funny story. My cat is adjusting quite well, by the way, to the move. She is very happy, honestly, in a really good mood. She's a little bit older, which is surprising because I didn't think that she would do so well with this, but she has. But let me just kick her out. So it's just a funny story because we went to Costco to get some supplies, you know, milk, that sort of thing. And I inevitably ran into something that I didn't intend on buying that I just couldn't deny was a great price. I looked at the reviews and immediately felt validated, and I connected the dots to see that this could be something I will use. And to be honest with you, I would not normally just make an impulse purchase at this much money, but I had previous interest in this, and after a quick search and being validated online by my peers, essentially, I felt comfortable with making this purchase. So without further ado, let's see what I bought, right? This is the DJI Mini 3 drone package that came from Costco. Just at an overall look at the side, the description: ultra light and foldable, less than 249 grams, 38 minutes of flight time, 4K HDR video, true vertical shooting, intelligent features, quick shots, panorama, 38 kph, level 5 wind resistance, 10-kilometer video transmission. So it's my understanding that how this works is that this drone flies based off of the image that it spits out to this controller, which then connects to your smartphone, which you use as a screen. I'm really excited to get into this because I can see how I will be able to use it now that I'm in Colorado. So let's go ahead and unbox this guy and see what we have in here. Okay, welcome to my desk. This is my gaming mouse and mouse pad with a hand rest here. But we're gonna use this as our little platform to unbox everything. So let me just scooch this out of the way and bring in the drone. So again, this is the DJI Mini 3 camera drone bundle from Costco, which you can see includes a little bit extra stuff. So let's get this opened up. So right off the bat, we have the drone in the plastic. Let's get that out. Looks super cool. I guess, yeah, that's the camera right there. And we've got the arms and everything, so I don't know exactly how to use this just yet, so I'm not going to open this up or try to break anything. So let's set this aside. This looks like, yeah, the controller's in here, so let's take a little bit of an extra gander at this guy. This looks really awesome. But these joysticks go in here like so. And then this thing comes out like this, and then you put your phone into it like this. And basically, oops, that's right on my button. So basically you use it like this and you can kind of see what the drone is doing based on the connection to your phone, which is really awesome. I think it's going to be really easy to use. Apparently it's got really positive reviews about ease of flight and stuff like that. And I mean, I've flown on, you know, a lot of video games before, so not to say that they're the same exact thing, but the adaptable or the ability to adapt to a different kind of flying sequence, you know, I think that's what's important. So let's just set this aside, look at this really quick. So it looks like, all right, micro SD adapter with the 64 gigabyte SanDisk micro SD card. So what is this? filters maybe. Yeah, I'm pretty sure these go on the actual camera, kind of like a UV filter maybe. That's my guess. That's what they kind of look like. They're glass. So this comes with some extra hardware, or actually these are extra propellers. I'm guessing if those get damaged, you have some spares. Let's see what this is. Oh great, a little screwdriver. It's very specific with this sort of stuff, and you don't want to strip anything, so they want you to use their tools. Last thing in the box here. Oh, got it. You charge the drone with a USB-C to USB-C cable. The cable that connects from the remote control to your phone, USB-C to USB-C, so it will work with my iPhone 15 for an example. I'm really excited to give this a try. So this is basically what you're going to get in this package from Costco. I'm pretty sure, like 90% sure, these are, oh yeah, for sure. I just looked out of these, looked out of that one through the window, and it showed a little bit of tint. So these are filters that go on the front of the drone's camera here. You get wires that are compatible with, I'm guessing what's standard on here is the lightning cable for iPhones, but they also have the USB-C to micro for, I'm guessing, like Samsung or another Android. I'm not sure what still uses that. And then you have USB to USB-C. I'm sorry, USB-C to USB-C. So basically everything that you're going to get in this package here. If you have any questions for me, please let me know. I'm going to be getting a couple of flights in, I'll say. I'm not sure how that's gonna go, whether or not the learning curve is gonna be crazy or not, but really excited to do this for you guys, and maybe I'll pop in a quick video of me doing my quick flight. So yeah, I'll talk to you later. Bye.